guys, today I thought I'd show you the difference in quiet afternoon out. Well, there's virtually no cars on the road. It's not often you see yourself riding, is it? So yeah, this is a Kendal on a quiet day. Should we try and catch him up through town, just for a giggle? Yeah, it's always nice to tag along. Yeah, and I want to be in that lane. Come on, mate. Thank you. Get out of this way. Now if I did that, I'd get... Yeah, you know what? The thing that saddened me around about here is all the way down here used to be trees, massive, great big trees. Don't know what breed they were, what kind, or species, variety. Yeah, just beautiful trees, and the council decided to rip them all out. I did ask why, and they said, oh, it's flood prevention. I mean, I thought the trees were there to drink the water, to keep the land together, to stop the wind ripping the... Anyway, yeah, sorry about my rant, I like trees. Yeah, all the way down here used to be trees. Don't worry, I am looking left. It looks so open, so bare. Yeah, they've had it shut down for about 8 weeks, probably. See my apartment from there. Why? Tell you what, I'll think I'll call off for some milk. for some milk, and yeah. There's one thing about these 1000 Yzf1000Rs. Yeah, for a 25-year-old bike, they are very nimble. They can seem to keep up with the. I love the sound of that. They seem to keep up with the up-to-date bikes quite well. Yeah, I'll see you guys in a minute. Anything you want, by the way? Look at the price of that, 182. It's come down 5-6 pence since the last build up. Yeah. Anyway, I'll catch you guys in a minute.